welcome in to another woolly review with a marshmallow pie. DK by Cygnet. And this is in the colour Milky Way. Not that we are judging the colour. There are 11 to choose from. This is a 150 gram cake with 540 metres or 590 yards upon it, approximately. It asks to use a 4mm hook, and so we shall. Now with this, this is a prize for Woolly Wednesday, so I can't do a full swatch, but we will see what happens. So like I said, there are 11 different variations for colouring for this. And the cheapest place I found this at time of recording was for £4.39 at the little wool shop, which will be linked down below in the description underneath the details for this cake pie, for the pie, the marshmallow pie. Oh my gosh. It's a pie. Now, as well as the colour, we're not here to judge my crochet skills either. We are just here to be judgy against the yarn as we go and see Monsieur Fogg. So there's a row of singles. We're now going to do a row of half doubles. Doesn't feel half bad, I gotta say. It's not the softest thing in the world, but it doesn't feel overly cheap, which is a nice little bonus. Good little bit of elasticity on there. And I didn't tell you what it's made from, did I? I do apologise. It is 100% acrylic. And it also states that one marshmallow pie should make a shawl. So it's like shawl in a pie. Maybe. No. Missed it. We'll blame Beanie for that, being she's helping me right now. Well, sort of. There we go. And then our last row will be doubles. Like I said, can't do a full swatch because this is on its way to the lucky winner of our Woolly Wednesday. Do you see the ladybirds looking on? Well, they come in quite an array of different colours. And from time of recording until my next podiversary, you can grab one for yourself, either a larger or a smaller, which I'll show you in a moment, in your chosen colour. And all you need to do is email me and I'll let you know how much the postage is, and then you can decide whether you would like one. But we have larger and we have smaller, and they look a little nitty, but they are 3D printed And the ones that are being sent out do have a black line between the wings. These 3 don't on purpose, but any orders that come in, they will have a black line down them. Okay. So, what am I judging for this? Sorry, beans. I'm guessing it's going to be very, very, very kinky. It doesn't feel too bad on the skin. It feels a little bit cheapified, like this, but like that. Perfectly fine, and a little bit soft, I have to say. Okay, so let's see what we can do, Mr. Frog. How about jumping on your moped for us? Give us a spin. Perfectly easy to frog. A little bit of kinkage, but hardly any, really. You see? Not too bad. So, 11 colours. Now, this is a medium grey, lighter still grey, and a very, 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 very dark grey, almost black. But as I look at this in the light of the flash of the camera, I am seeing greeny tones within it. So the dye hasn't saturated entirely, or it's a more natural dye. I don't know. But there are greeny tones to it, which I'm pretty certain aren't really supposed to be there. Yeah, and they're going throughout. So let's wrap this up to give the pie back its belt. And what am I going to judge it? I'm going to get all judgy for the marshmallow. It's a DK. It's not too bad. How much was the meterage? 540 for 439. I suppose it'd be somewhere in my top 10. But I would say I don't know what I'd say. 150 grams. I mean, it's not bad pricing, but it's not brilliant. Colours wise, they've got a couple of nice ones on there. They're more of a graduated colour change, but all the colours, apart from this one, a bluey one, a brownie to pink, and a pink one, they're all very different bold colours. So I'm guessing that the colour change is going to be very different. But with this one, it's quite a long, stretched out change. For that, I'd rate it up half a thingy. But I'm guessing the other ones are pretty... and I'm not overly keen on that, personally speaking. And I know other people are, but this is my review. By all means, you can review what you like down in the comments below. Let me know what you think, if you've tried it, if you would give it a go, or if you wouldn't. I'm going to stick with the 4.5, I think, for the Marshmallow Pie by Cygnet. That's my take on it. All the details are down below. Please let me know what you think. And hopefully I will see you next week for another one. Not necessarily a marshmallow pie, but definitely another woolly review. So take care until then. See you later. Bye-bye.